Gaining access, exploitation techniques, how attackers breach systems. Once attackers have completed reconnaissance and scanning, the next phase is gaining access. This step involves actively exploiting vulnerabilities to break into a system, network, or application. Understanding these exploitation techniques helps cybersecurity professionals detect, prevent, and mitigate attacks before they cause damage. What is exploitation? Exploitation is the process of leveraging security weaknesses to bypass authentication, execute malicious code, or take control of systems. Attackers may exploit unpatched software, misconfigured settings, weak credentials, or social engineering tactics to gain unauthorized access. Common exploitation techniques. 1. Social engineering and phishing attacks. Phishing emails trick users into clicking malicious links or downloading malware. Spear phishing, highly targeted attacks against individuals or organizations. Pretexting and impersonation, attackers pose as trusted entities to manipulate victims. 2. Exploiting software and operating system vulnerabilities. Zero-day exploits, target vulnerabilities that are unknown to the software vendor. Remote code execution, injecting malicious code to gain full system control. Privilege escalation, exploiting misconfigurations to elevate access rights. Web application exploits, SQL injection, manipulating database queries to extract or modify sensitive data. Cross-site scripting, XS, injecting malicious scripts into web applications. Remote file inclusion, RFI, and local file inclusion, gaining access through insecure file handling. 4. Network exploitation and brute force attacks. Password cracking, using tools like Hydra or John the Ripper to guess login credentials. Man-in-the-middle attacks, intercepting network traffic to steal data. Session hijacking, taking over active user sessions to gain unauthorized access. Defensive strategies against exploitation. 1. Keep systems updated and patch vulnerabilities. Apply security updates regularly. 2. Use strong authentication and multi-factor authentication FA. Prevent unauthorized logins. 3. Implement web application firewalls. Protect against web-based exploits. 4. Conduct penetration testing. Identify and fix weaknesses before attackers exploit them. 5. Educate employees on social engineering tactics. Reduce the risk of human-based attacks. Final thoughts. Gaining access is a critical phase in cyber attacks, but with the right security measures, organizations can prevent and mitigate exploitation attempts. In the next section, we will explore real-world examples of exploitation techniques in action. Stay tuned.